Hello there, welcome back to MarineMax Lake Norman. Got an exciting new piece of inventory to show you today. This is a 2025 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. See, this boat is in the full hull horizon color with the black boot stripe. We've done it with the half glass on the front and sides. Coming towards the back of this boat, it's very well equipped. We've done a dynamic running surface and some other options. Let's hop aboard and check out the inside. Welcome aboard this 320 Sundancer. Wanted to highlight a couple features back here on the transom. With this being a stern drive boat, we do have this rear facing lounger, which is unique to this configuration. It's a great option that you can have. Also swivels to give you some flexibility with your entertainment zone. Also at the transom, you've got your battery switching and your plugins for your shore power right here, very easily accessible. You've also got a freshwater hookup for your washdown. Last but not least, back here at the transom, this boat is equipped with the submersible swim platform right here at the back. Comes down with the push of a button, and it's a super great feature to have when you're out on the water. Coming inside, this boat is going to have pretty much every option from the factory. We've got a shower head back here, both hot and cold water, and controls for that platform that I was mentioning. Got a block off door as well. As you come further into the boat, you'll see that we've equipped this boat in the stone interior color with the gray sea deck flooring. We've also done the Kenyan electric grill and the refrigerator at your entertainment center here. A couple great features on this particular example. We've got an aft sunshade that extends out over your sun pad, and it's also been optioned with the sunroof that opens up super easily and locks in place back here. Of course, you can close it if you want to stay a little bit protected from those rays. Up here at the helm, it's a great place to be on the 320 Sundancer. It's a very comfortable place to sit. I'm 6'3", I fit here very comfortably. All your controls are laid out in a really ergonomic way. You've got your Mercury digital throttles here for your 6.2 liter inboards. Also got your joystick just behind for your Mercury skyhook and joystick piloting system. This boat is equipped with that dynamic running surface. Like I said, you've got controls for those Lenco trim tabs here, as well as a control for your spot and floodlight up at the bow. Some of your important features here, like your running lights, your nav lights, your bilge pump, are all on manual switching. All of those can also be accessed through the Simrad screens. This boat has twin 12-inch NSX screens, so you're gonna have all sorts of autopilot features, fish finder, depth finder, all that kind of good stuff, and these are the best in the business for this application. This boat's also equipped with a Fusion audio system. We've got several speakers up here, a couple subwoofers aboard. It's a killer sound system for this boat, and you've got a couple remotes throughout the boat to control your audio. Let's go ahead and hop down below and check out the cabin. There's a lot of room down here in the cabin of this 320 Sundancer. It's got an isotherm refrigerator, as well as a convection microwave oven over there. We've got some storage down below as well. Up forward, you'll see this is in the sleeping configuration with this panel inserted in the middle. It can very easily be removed to reveal your table, which comes up, turns into a nice dinette. We've also got a television up forward, as well as one down in the rear section under the stairs. Got awesome controls here for all of your switching on the boat, your ignitions, all that kind of stuff, and you've got controls for your air conditioner as well. Over here on the starboard side, you've got a really deep head compartment. Got a nice vanity with a glass sink. You've got a head, some mirrors, also a great way to take a shower on board. Down below the stairs here, you've got an aft berth. You've got two couch-style cushions that can convert into a full bed. Right now, we've got our isinglass enclosure and our radar down here from shipping. But it's a great place to store some items or put some kids. We've also got a TV in here, like I mentioned before. We've got two steps up to the bow here on our port side walkthrough. Like I mentioned before, this boat has the half front glass. We can very easily close this up in combination with your block-off door down here. And like I said, we do have full isinglass for this boat, so in those winter months, you can close it all up, turn your heat on, and be very comfortable. Follow me up to the bow here. You're gonna notice we've done the rails on this boat, so nice handhold, great place to get up to the bow. Now that we're up here, you'll see we got plenty of room, set up really well for 3 adults. We've got cup holders up here, Fusion audio remote, and you got flip down armrests as well. Another neat feature on these 320 Sundancers is these bolsters for the headrests do go up and down, so you can customize that. This boat has great controls for your windlass anchor. You've got access to your chain and rode here under this hatch, and access to your controls right here in the center. You've got a remote here, as well as some controls back at the helm. This has been a quick walkthrough of our 2025 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. It's got plenty more features we'd love to show you on this boat and many others. If you want to check this one out, stop by our showroom in Cornelius. Check us out at MarineMax.com or give us a call and we'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching.